Welcome to Daynier's Corner, where tech always makes sense. Alright, let's get this done. We're going to set up a Wi-Fi router from scratch. Connect and get ready. Connect to power and modem. First, take your router out of the box and plug it in. Then, use the Ethernet cable to connect the router to your modem. Without this, your router won't have any internet to share. Check the lights. Take a look at the lights on your router. If you see a power light but no internet light, the connection to your modem might not be correct. Unplug the Ethernet cable and plug it back in tightly. If that still doesn't work, try another cable. Check your options. Modern routers often have a quick start app. Look for a QR code on the box or the router itself. Scan it with your phone to use the app for a super simple setup. If there's no app, we'll do it the classic way. The classic setup method. Connect your device. Look on the back or bottom of the router for the default Wi-Fi name and password. Open your phone or laptop's Wi-Fi settings. Find that network name and connect. Open the setup page. From your connected device, open a browser and type in the router's setup page, which is usually something like 192.168.0.1 or 192.168.1.1. Your manual will have the exact address. Log in. You'll need to log in with the default username and password. This is usually admin and admin, but many newer routers have a unique password pre-printed on the label. If that doesn't work, just reset the router by holding the reset button for 10 seconds, then try again with the default info. Set up your Wi-Fi. Now for the fun part. Create a new, unique Wi-Fi name and a strong password. For the best security, make sure to select a security type of WPA3 if your router supports it. Test the internet, the moment of truth. Open a web page to see if it loads. If it does, you're good to go. If not, it might be an issue with your modem. So try restarting both the modem and router. Wait a few minutes, then test again. If nothing works, it's time to give your internet provider a call. If this video helped you, make sure to like it, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next video. Thanks for tuning in to Daynier's Corner, where tech always makes sense. Thanks for tuning in to Daynier's Corner, where tech always makes sense.